If you are a fan of Notebook LM or just someone looking to level up your productivity game, then you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you 5 amazing Notebook LM hacks that will make your note taking, organizing, and researching easier than ever. Alright, so let's get started. Here, I'm assuming that you already know how to sign in into the Notebook LM and create a new notebook by choosing the right options. But if you are new to using the Notebook LM, then you can refer to the video on Notebook LM on our channel where we have discussed everything in detail. Right, so the first use case which I'm going to discuss in this video is to convert your text into a video file. Yes, you heard me right, you can do that using the Notebook LM. For that, firstly, you need to have a data source containing the text. So I've already copied the text. I'm going to add a new source since it is going to be a text file. So I'm going to paste the text. The text is about artificial intelligence and I want to convert this text into a video file. So after the text has been successfully uploaded, now I'm going to convert it into an audio overview to have a conversation between two people in English language. Alright, so you can see that we provided it small number of lines of text and it converted it into a 6 minute and 24 second long podcast. So now all you need to do is go ahead and download it and it is going to download this audio as a WAV file. Now we are going to use this audio file to convert it into a video. For that, you have to go to Revid.ai, which is a tool that allows you to convert your audio into different video formats. So you simply have to click on create new video button and from the available options, you have to choose audio to video. Once you do that, it will ask you to upload a file or a YouTube URL. So I'm going to upload a file, which is the one which we have just downloaded from the Notebook LM. And then if you scroll down a little bit, it will ask you to pick your parameters. You have the option to set the screen ratio and you have to toggle this button and turn it to on to add video footage to illustrate the content. Then if you want the moving images, you can do that too. How many extracts that you want or use the whole video, you can set all of these parameters. And once you are happy with it, simply click on generate video. And in about a minute and a half, it has generated the video for us. So let's quickly go ahead and view it.
That's a great point. We kind of take them for granted.
It's true. Like, have you ever stopped to appreciate how good spam filters are? I mean, back in the day, my inbox was a war zone of junk mail. But now it's like magic.
Yes, spam filters are a classic example of AI quietly working in the background. They've learned to identify patterns and red flags that signal spam.
So you can see that it has converted our audio into a video file by using moving images and stock videos as the background. So this is really cool. In this way, you can convert any of your text file into a video by using Notebook LM. So you already know that how to convert a text into an audio file or a podcast, but it is generated according to the settings provided by the Notebook LM by default. So this brings us to our hack number 2, which is to customize the audio overviews. So here I'm going to use the text which I previously added, which is about the artificial intelligence, and I want to convert it to an audio overview. So I'm going to delete the previous one. And now in order to change the configuration of this audio overview file and to customize it according to your needs, you can use this customize option right here. Here you can provide it how that it should focus on a specific source, on a specific topic, or target a specific audience, etc. So you have to provide all the instructions in which you want your audio or the podcast to be customized. So here, in order to generate the perfect prompt, you can also take help from ChatGPT or Claude or any other AI platform. So here I'm going to use ChatGPT and I'm going to provide it the prompt that helped me customize an AI audio overview I'm generating with Notebook LM. I want the output to sound simple, professional, serious and understandable at an 8th grade level. Use a maximum of 500 characters because this is the number of characters which are provided by Notebook LM. And this prompt will work with any kind of text that you want. So here is the response for our prompt. So I'm going to copy these instructions, head back to the Notebook LM. And then I'm going to click on this customize button right here. Here I'm going to paste everything which ChatGPT has created and click on generate button. And this is going to provide us the audio overview which is customized according to the instructions that we provided to it. So now instead of providing us a long podcast which previously consisted of more than 6 minutes, now it has provided us a brief and concise audio podcast which is just 2 minutes and 39 seconds long. Let's hear it once to see if it is easily understandable by an 8th grader or not.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive?
Always ready.
Today we're tackling something that's kind of taken over the world.
Oh, yeah. Definitely a hot topic.
We're talking artificial intelligence, AI. But not just the robots and sci-fi stuff, although that's cool too.
Right.
We're going deeper.
Exactly. We've got the source material defining AI as, well, machines that can be intelligent, especially computer systems.
So they learn things.
Yep. They pick up information, figure out what's going on around.
Alright, so apparently it seems that they've pretty much gone into details about artificial intelligence and make it understandable to an 8th grader. So in this way, you can easily customize the tone and the level of the audio overview generated from the text by using the customization feature. So the third hack that we are going to discuss in this video is to analyze and summarize your podcast by making notes out of it. As you already know that some podcasts can be very lengthy, detailed and time consuming to listen. So in such scenarios, instead of just wasting our time in listening to everything the podcast is saying, you can simply use the Notebook LM to analyze the podcast and generate a summary out of it, which is going to contain all the important points which have been discussed in the podcast. So for that, firstly, you need to have the podcast downloaded as an audio file. And in order to do that, you can use a podcast search engine like Listen Notes. Here in the search bar, you have to provide the name of your podcast. Here in the search bar, you have to provide the name of your podcast. I'm going to search for this particular podcast, episode 1. And once you have found the podcast, simply click on these 3 dots right here and click on download audio. So now you need to upload that audio file right here inside the sources. So go ahead and do that. So after uploading your audio file, you have a wide variety of options. Either you can go to the notebook guide and view this basic summary that discuss all the important points which have been discussed inside the podcast. The other thing is you can click on the table of contents and it is going to generate a table of contents discussing all the different topics which have been discussed in the podcast in the correct sequence. And the other thing that you can create for this podcast is a briefing document. So here is a table of contents. Let's quickly see. So firstly, it is discussing the rise of the AI generated content. Then it is exploring AI in music generation, AI powered sampling and its limitations, the alternative sampling tools and license implementations, etc. So instead of listening to the entire podcast, you can simply have a look at this table of content, and if everything is of interest, you can always look at the timeline at which this topic is discussed and then listen to that particular part only. And this one is actually the briefing document. So here it is provided us the key themes, that these are all the key themes which have been discussed. These are the important ideas and facts that the podcast contains and some key quotes which have been discussed by the creator of the podcast. And then it is also provided us the overall takeaways for the podcast which you can easily read instead of listening to the entire podcast. So in this way, you can use Notebook LM to analyze and summarize your podcast and save your time. The fourth hack that I'm going to discuss in this video is to generate the minutes of meeting from the meeting transcript. So if you are someone who works in an office that has long duration of meetings and you are assigned with the task to generate the minutes of meeting for that entire meeting, then instead of manually taking the notes, you can simply turn on your recorder and record the entire conversation which is being discussed inside the meeting. Then you have a large variety of tools available from which you can extract the transcript from the meeting and then use Notebook LM to convert that transcript into meeting notes or minutes of meeting. So let's quickly see how you can do that. Firstly, I'm going to add the meeting transcript which is in the form of the copied text. So I'm going to paste it right here. And then right here inside the chat box, you have to provide it the prompt that what you want to do with your provided source. So I want it to generate the minutes of meeting. For that, I'm going to provide it the prompt that create minutes of meeting from the provided data. And once you do that, within a minute, it will generate the minutes of meeting for the entire meeting transcript which you have provided to it. So firstly, it has provided us the date which you can manually edit, the time, the location, and the name and designation of all the persons which were present inside the meeting. After that, it has started adding different points like the approval of agenda, the approval of minutes, the old business, the new business, along with all the things which have been discussed inside the meeting by providing the name of the person who has discussed the point. So in this way, instead of manually taking the meeting notes of long and extensive meetings, you can simply record your meetings, convert them into transcript, and then use Notebook LM to generate minutes of meetings within a few seconds. And the last hack is to use the Notebook LM to generate study guide for your entire books within a few seconds. You can easily use this tool to create different type of study guides for you. You can ask it to create a study guide for a particular chapter of the book. You can ask it to convert the book into a multiple choice question exam, etc. And then you can use that material to prepare for your exams. So here I'm going to upload a PDF file as a data source, which actually contains 2 topics, function overloading and overriding. and I want to create study guides for this particular data source. So here, firstly, you can ask it to create an outline so that you can understand what is actually being discussed inside the PDF file. For that, you can ask it to create an outline for the provided data source, include the major sections and subtopics. Alright, so within a few seconds, it has generated the outline for the provided data source. Firstly, we have the introduction in which we are discussing polymorphism, its definition, the polymorphic variables, etc. We have method binding, overloading, different type of bindings, and so on. Now that you have information about the topics which are being discussed inside this file, the next thing that you can do with this file is to generate different type of questions from it, so that instead of reading the entire file, you can simply memorize all of those questions and appear on your exam. So in order to do that, you can provide it the prompt that generate as many quiz questions from the data source as you can, include multiple choice and short answer formats. Alright, so in less than a minute, it has provided us a large number of multiple choice questions along with the correct answer. From the provided PDF file, you can see that there are a large number of MCQs which are covering all the different topics which are being discussed, and then it has also provided us different short questions along with the correct answer for the short questions. And these questions have been extracted from the different topics which are being discussed inside the provided data source. So now, instead of reading the entire PDF file which consisted of almost 42 pages, now you can easily prepare for your test or for your exam by simply going through all of these questions which are easily generated from the Notebook LM. So in this way, you can use these amazing Notebook LM hacks to improve your efficiency and performance and get your work done in no time. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.